Your final assignment for week 3, I decided to make this a video on its own, is the 3.4 final project, describe your company. You have a project that is due the last week of classes, but you're going to be working on it in baby steps. And that's real cool because you get time to think about it and mull it over and make changes. So let's go with the instructions. Your final project due in the final week of course is based on the following scenario. This first assignment will help you get started in creating a vision for your final project. Now, you have graduated with your degree and have been working in your field of study for several years. You finally feel you have the knowledge, experience, and time to go out and start your own business. Yay! Before you start out on your own, however, you need to have a vision. You kind of need to see it in your head. In 2 to 3 paragraphs, describe your business using the following criteria. Your business could be in your field of study or something related to your field of study that is a passion or dream of yours. The formatting for this assignment is double-spaced, standard margins of 1 inch, a 14-point font for the title, and 12-point font for the paragraphs. So the first thing you're going to do is put in a name or descriptive title of your business. It should be centered. That was left off, but it should be centered. What does your business look like? What product or service will you be providing? Who is your target audience? The target audience is who do you want to sell your product to? Okay. So if you're selling beauty cream, okay, and the ideal you have is for uh, women age 21 through 40. That's your target audience. It's not for 16-year-olds and it's not for women my age, which is 50 plus. Who are your customers or clients and what do they need? Okay, so like what income? Where might they be working? Where might you be living? Um, are you going to put, is your target audience going to start with like Chicago or a large city? Or are you going to start with a smart town? What is your role in your business? Are you going to be the sole person working this? If not, if you are, you're going to have some really long hours. Um, are you going to get others to work with you? Are they going to be family? Are they going to be friends? Are you going to just pull people off the street? Kind of what you're thinking. Make sure you check for correct grammar and spelling. This is worth 10 points. And so that's this one, but let's look at the other ones. We're just going to do titles. We're not going to open them. Okay, so here's final project for word brochure draft number 1. You're going to be told how to do this, and I'm going to show you, okay? The company newsletter here will help you do this. Let's see, I'm sorry I say I'm a lot because I'm thinking presentation software alternatives, PowerPoint overview for the quiz. Here, assignment, presentation on computer selection, word brochure, draft 2. Final project, presentation, draft 1. Final project, presentation, draft 2. Get a break from the project. 9.2 final project, Excel. We're going to work on this. It's okay. I know many of you haven't used Excel, but you can do this. I'm here. Assignment here and assignment there, but no project. Okay, so now you have your final project peer reviews. I'm going to talk to you about that. Peer review here. No, post files by Wednesday. This is so that people will have a chance to get their deadline in. And you'll know this is coming up. We're going to talk about this in advance. So it's not going to be like, oh my gosh, I have 3 days to do all 3 things. No. Presentation, income statement. In my videos, I'm going to start talking to you sooner rather than later, like the off weeks. If I forget, remind me. And then here's your final project and your reflection on the class. So everything will be fine. You need to talk to me. Remember, you can email me. We can do where I share my screen with you some by appointments. I don't go into campuses. And if there's anything else I'm forgetting, please let me know. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.